On this page, you have the ability to add items individually by clicking the Add Item button, or scroll to the bottom of the page to download our template to bulk upload all of your items. If you are not using a column listed in the template, simply leave it blank. Do not remove or rename any of the existing columns. When adding items to your admin, be sure to use the correct item type. These include silent, live, donation, quantity, info, blind, and credit. Silent items are a competitive item where the highest bidder wins once the item is closed. Live items are previews of an item but are not biddable on the site. These are great for advertising the item in advance of your auction. This creates excitement and anticipation for the event. Winning bids for live items must be added in the Event Central Butler tool. Quantity items are great for raffle tickets, wine pulls, and any other items you have multiples of or you want to sell for a set price. Info items add information to your bidders' receipts. These items cannot be displayed on the bidding site. Blind items are similar to silent items. However, each bidder chooses an amount they want to bid without getting an outbid text. None of the bidders know how much anyone else bid, and the highest bidder wins once the item closes. Credit items allow you to add a credit to your bidder's account. The credited item amount will be deducted from the bidder's total at the end of the auction. Once all of your items are loaded into your admin, make sure the status of each item is set appropriately. There are 3 different item statuses: active, closed, and invisible. An active item can be viewed on the auction preview of the landing page on the bidding site once your auction is open, and is biddable once signed into the bidding site. A closed item can be viewed in the auction preview and the bidding site, but is not open for bidding. An invisible item will not appear on either the auction preview or the bidding site. A quick note about invisible items. These items will appear on a bidder's checkout if they have a winning bid. Check to make sure your items are set to close at the correct date and time. Closing times are very important because any item that has an active status will change to closed when the closing time is passed. An easy way to edit multiple items is to select Show All Entries at the top of the Manage Items page. Click the top toggle next to the Name column or individual line items and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the Batch Update section. Find the closing time batch update, select it, enter the closing date and time, and click Update. Use the arrows at the top of each column on the Manage Items page to sort or group together items with similar information. This is really helpful when checking for different closing times, low start and raise prices, and making sure all items are active.